Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make a Russian salad. This salad is very healthy and very sweet as well. It is made with ingredients like Irish potato, which has been cooked to perfection. We also have carrots, we have some green peas, we have the bacon and some creamy dressing just to keep it all very interesting. So if you want to see how this is made, please keep watching. In a mixing bowl, transfer your mayonnaise. Now I'm gonna be scraping everything. There is no waste in my kitchen. So next up is my yogurt. You can actually omit this yogurt or use a fresh cream instead. So next up is my sugar. I usually use sugar for my creamy dressing, but you can omit that if you want to. So next up is a pinch of sugar just to balance out the taste, followed by my black pepper. Now I'm going to be stirring all together to combine. Continue stirring until it is smooth. Now let's move forward to the next step. In a bowl, transfer your cooked Irish potato, next up is my carrots, which I cooked for 5 minutes just to take out that little bit of crunchiness. Next up is my green peas, which has been cooked to perfection as well, and my bacon, which I have also cooked to perfection. So for some pop of color, I just added red bell pepper, which I have diced finely. Now in goes my creamy dressing. So I'm going to put everything and toss with my wooden spoon to combine. Now because I love it creamy, I decided to add just 1 teaspoon of the cream and still go ahead tossing all together to combine. So I'll keep tossing until the vegetables are coated with the cream. So after I'm done mixing, I will still go ahead and transfer all the Russian salad into a salad pan or plate. So I will transfer everything because it is not nice to serve your salad in the same plate you made it. So that's the reason why you have to put in a different plate and serve. So that's all for the Russian salad. Thanks for watching. Bye.